Haramai koutou. Hi, Kia Ora. My name is Guy.
And more today, Winton School. I'm Ryan. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 20th of July.
We start the day with a big Kia Ora to all of the new students starting at Winton School today.
And a big welcome back to Mrs. Smart in room 2. Have a great day, everyone.
Some health and safety news. There is still a number of areas out of bounds because of the mud.
If it's an outside day, please make sure you're playing in areas that are clean and relatively dry.
A big Kia Ora to all of the librarians. Library's open at 12:40 today. It's clean and dry in there. Get it? It's also toasty warm and there are books.
Hey. Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is e te tau.
Which is te reo for darling, as in haramai e te tau. Come here, darling.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing. Remember, to and from school, wear your high-vis vests.
Congratulations Room 5, the winners of Term 2's Pizza Lunch Reward. And it starts all over again today.
Make sure you keep your classes clean and go hard to win the glorious pizza chow down at the end of the term.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
School quiet. Please take your lunches to the hall at 12:30 you have a sing-along with St. Thomas's today at lunchtime.
Birthday news. First day back. Happy birthday to Riley Johnston.
Riley's turning the big 7 today.
Have a great day, Riley. Happy birthday.
And that's all for today. First day back for the term. I'm feeling a bit tired.
Get back to work. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay on task, Winton School.